I ran this test just to see how much difference a hot day would make, and this is not an exceptional hot day, but anyway, I wanted to just check out the batteries because the top temperature is supposed to be 40 degrees centigrade. But I got to thinking I'm going to do some more testing after this on a cold day, and so I'll have some videos coming up on that to just monitor what the batteries are looking like on a cold day. Maybe they get up to 40 degrees or more, and we'll see. But anyway, stay tuned because there will be more videos coming related to the temperature of the batteries under different conditions. Alright, here is a picture of the Earth, and there's a little yellow dot right there where I live. And so what we're going to do is we're going to take and we're going to go up and click on View Grids right there. Okay, and with the grid there, we can look down at the down here, down on the lower right. And if I put my finger right on that part right there, it's going to say about 32 or 33 degrees down there in the corner. And so if I enlarge this, you can see it. But anyway, so we're 33 degrees above the equator. Here's the equator way down here. So let's take the equator. First of all, you'll notice there's some lines that go across here, and that's about mid-screen. So we'll take the equator and we'll move it up to those lines so we're looking straight at the equator. Okay, and so if we go up to the little yellow dot, you can see that it's still 32 or 33 degrees. I don't know where the hand hits, but anyway, so 32 or 33 degrees, but the Earth is tilted at 23 degrees. So if we take and move our hand down here and watch the screen down there, we'll get to 23 right there, which is about the Tropic of Cancer, and that's the tilt of the Earth. And we'll bring it down here and put it right about there. Okay, and you will notice that if you're the sun, you're almost overhead of the little yellow dot where I live. In fact, if the Earth is tilted at 23 degrees and I'm located at the 33rd parallel, there's only 10 degrees difference. And so if we take and see if I can turn this sideways. All right, we'll get it around over there, and we'll put some arrows coming across here. There's only a 10 degree difference between where the sun is hitting and where it's hitting, where the sun is straight out from the Earth and where it's hitting the place where I live. And in late June, if you stand outside at noon and look down, you'll see that your shadow only goes out about 10 degrees from your body. And so in that case, we're getting a lot more concentrated sunshine in the summertime, which concerns me when I go out to fly my Mavic 2 Zoom this year, and it's a hot day. So that's the purpose of trying to figure out for sure if I'm overheating my batteries. So anyway, that's a little geography lesson, but it's a good thing to remember if you're going to be closer to the equator than you are up north. Summertime, the sunshine is a lot more overhead than it is at other times. All right, thanks for watching, and God bless.